Climate change is a global issue, but with impacts at local level. Nepal is experiencing the impact of climate change on its natural resources and people's livelihoods. The poorest people are those suffering, with women at the forefront. Realising the adverse impacts of climate change and the need to respond, the Adventist Development and Relief Agency, ADRA, Nepal, with the support of ADRA Australia and in partnership with Rupantaran Nepal, implemented a Creating Community Climate Change Capacity, or 5C project, in the Rupande district of Nepal. The goal of the project is to enhance the resilience and adaptive capacity of poor and vulnerable communities by mitigating the adverse impacts of climate change.
रूपान्तरणले चाहिँ पहिला पनि गरिरहेको चाहिँ यो क्लाइमेट चेन्ज एडाप्टेसन सम्बन्धीको चाहिँ नन फर्मल एजुकेसन प्रोसेसहरु, त्यस्तै कम्युनिटी बेस्ड एडाप्टेसन प्लानहरु र वेलबिङ र्याङ्किङहरु गर्ने खालको चाहिँ अभ्यासहरु छ। त्यो अभ्यासहरुलाई चाहिँ एउटा चाहिँ प्रोसेसको हिसाबले पाइलोटिङ गर्ने र त्यो पाइलोटिङबाट आएको चाहिँ लेसन्सहरु, लर्निङहरुलाई चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ अरु प्रोजेक्टहरुमा चाहिँ लिंक गर्ने हिसाबले चाहिँ यो पाइलोटिङ सुरु गरिरहेको हो। र यसको लागि चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ जुन एक्जिस्टिङ कोअपरेटिभहरु पनि एउटा चाहिँ महत्त्वपूर्ण संयन्त्रहरु चाहिँ हुन सक्छन् र त्यो कोअपरेटिभहरु मार्फत चाहिँ हामीले अनुकूलनका कार्यहरुलाई पनि लान सकिन्छ भन्ने किसिमको चाहिँ अभ्यासहरुलाई चाहिँ हेरेको छौं।
The 5C project is being implemented in Tikuligad, Madhwalia, Kuraya and Devdaha village development committees of Rupandei district and the Belbas area located at ward number 15 of Butwal municipality. The project primarily works with women who are members of cooperatives, enhancing their adaptive capacities, enabling them to respond to adverse impacts of climate change.
अनि बगर क्षेत्र जसले गर्दा घरभित्र निश्चित न्यानोपना कायम भइरहन्छ।
5 existing women savings and credit cooperatives private limited of Rupandei district, Saugat, Mitabei, Melmilap, Nirantar and Sasset were selected to work with the project. The national framework of LAPA defines awareness and sensitization as the first steps in climate change adaptation planning and delivery. The 5C project gives prime focus to awareness raising and sensitization activities on climate change and its adverse impact. For this purpose, a series of awareness and sensitization workshops, training programs, orientation and non-formal educational classes on climate change were conducted. In addition, local facilitators from each cooperative were selected and mobilized.
यो शीतलहरहरु बढ्दै छ, गर्मी बढ्दै छ, जाडोहरु घट्दै छ, यो सबै कुराहरु हामीहरु सबैले अनुभव गरिरहेका तर यसलाई परिभाषा गर्न नसकेका अवस्थामा थियौं। तर सरहरुको रूपान्तरण नेपालको उहाँहरुको सहयोग र प्रयासले गर्दाखेरि एउटा किताब पायौं जसले गर्दाखेरि हामीलाई मौसम जलवायु सम्बन्धी या यो जलवायु परिवर्तनको प्रभाव के कारणले किन यस्तो भएको र यस सम्बन्धी बस्ने तथा अनुकूलनको उपाय न्यूनीकरणको उपायहरु धेरै रहेछन् यस किताबमा र साथमा मैले सिक्न पनि पाए र दिदीबहिनीहरुलाई सिकाउन पनि पाए।
A total of 422 climate vulnerable cooperative members were selected to participate in the 3-month climate sensitive non-formal education packages. Through these packages, people gained valuable knowledge and skills and took the opportunity to share experiences of how they responded to the adverse impacts of climate change. The participants also self-generated information, education and communication (IEC) materials which are now kept in schools, community centres and cooperatives in order to help raise wider community climate change adaptation awareness. Resource centres are established and equipped with non-formal education materials, books, manuals and posters.
related to this, and it's just posing the different sort of issue and is discussion point.
In addition, these centres are equipped with tools like delivery pipes, spray machines and pumps used in agriculture. Cooperative members receive services that help improve agricultural practices. It is expected that local government and cooperatives will strengthen such participation in future.
जलवायु परिवर्तनलाई न्यूनीकरण हुने खालका कार्यक्रमहरू सञ्चालन गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने खालको एउटा एडभोकेसी अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम र अर्को घटनाहरू घटिसकेपछि प्रकोपहरू आइसकेपछि र यस्तो खालको कार्यक्रमहरूमा चाहिँ वार्षिक बजेटहरू समावेश गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने चाहिँ क्रियाकलापहरू अगाडि बढेको छ भने कतिपय गाउँ विकास समितिहरूमा अब यो सार्वजनिक क्षेत्रमा वृक्षारोपण गर्ने तिनलाई संरक्षण गर्ने नदी किनार खोला किनारहरूमा वृक्षारोपण गर्ने अनि त्यसलाई संरक्षण गर्ने जस्ता कार्यक्रमहरू उहाँहरूबाट स्वतस्फूर्त रूपमा त्यो गाउँ विकास समितिहरूले राखेको हुनाले यो चाहिँ करिब मूल प्रभावीकरणतर्फ उन्मुख भएको छ भन्ने चाहिँ हामीले महसुस गरेका छौँ।
The cooperatives prepared a community-based adaptation plan for systematic responses with engaging non-formal education participants. In the community-based adaptation planning process, cooperatives identified context-specific adaptation measures to help build adaptive capacity. The 5C project supports the implementation of the community-based adaptation plan, demonstrating technologies such as treadle pumps, crop diversification and high-value crops farming, and diversifying income through microcredit obtained through cooperatives. The aim is to provide vulnerable people with climate-sensitive agriculture skills and technologies to help meet the challenges of adapting to climate change.
मौसम सम्बन्धी त यो पाउनो सिजनमा के लाउन पर्ने छ, सुक्खा ठाउँमा कस्तो चीज लाउन पर्ने हो, पानी पर्ने ठाउँमा कस्तो चीज लाउन पर्ने हो भन्ने थाहा भयो। यो पढे गाउँका छिमेकीलाई पनि सिकाएकै छौं सर। सबैलाई भेला गराएर महिनाको एक दिन भेला गराएर सिकाउने काम गरिरहेछौं।
Climate change adaptation intervention within cooperatives is not enough to reach all vulnerable communities at the village development committee level. So the 5C project has intervened with actions at the VDC level, disseminating learning, influencing local stakeholders and raising awareness of the climate adaptation planning process. Village Climate Change Coordination Committees, VC4, have been formed at an institutional level to lead and facilitate local adaptation planning, integration and implementation. VC4 has prepared the Local Adaptation Plan for Actions, LAPA, in consultation with political stakeholders, line agencies, community-based organisations and cooperatives. VC4 have prepared operational guidelines and set up a small-scale adaptation fund to support the LAPA actions on a priority basis. VC4 is now implementing some LAPA actions such as deep boring installation, embankments for river cutting, offering climate-sensitive agricultural training to climate-vulnerable communities and climate change adaptation awareness.
योभन्दा अगाडि मदौलिया गाविसमा खासै गरी यो जलवायु परिवर्तन सम्बन्धी बजेटहरू विनियोजन नभएको अवस्था रहेको थियो भने अहिले यो 5C परियोजनाले यस गाविसमा विभिन्न कार्यक्रमहरू ल्याएको समय पश्चात गाविसले पनि बजेट विनियोजन गर्दाखेरि गाउँ जलवायु परिवर्तन सम्बन्धी केही बजेटहरू विनियोजन गरेको अवस्था छ।
The 5C project has introduced a multimedia monitoring process. All cooperatives have equipment and trained human resources on multimedia monitoring, which is used to review, reflect and support evidence-based discussion. The 5C project includes public auditing after each intervention. These tools and processes were found to be effective and efficient in establishing transparency and accountability for the beneficiaries. Rupantar in Nepal and ADRA are planning this innovative approach and process to scale up and apply them to ongoing projects and designing new projects.
We worked with our local partners, Rupantaran, and targeted some very successful cooperatives, and they are testing the ways that we do things. We have learned lots of lessons in this project, and we hope to replicate them both in our local partners projects as well as ADRA's projects in the future. We hope to allow the government to see ways to improve the way that they do things as well. So if we can share this information with as many people here as possible, that would make it better for more people in Nepal.
From the success of the 5C project, it is clear that local institutions like saving and credit cooperatives deal not only with financial matters, but also effectively address social and environmental issues in their locality. It is an innovative approach in Nepal and identifies areas of opportunity where cooperatives could be harnessed to play a greater role in bolstering climate change adaptation.